Hey guys, today I'll be show you how to the shoulder pain relieving the massage, and there's so many techniques I'm using. Can you look at me how my hands are using, how the pressures I'm using? Can you look at me exactly? You can follow this video. You definitely hopefully get it from everything for you guys. Thank you so much. Let's we move on for the subject of the shoulder massage. Okay, we can start from here. We can little bit facial technique release for push your one hands like this, one hand push the skin rubbing upward like, and then like the push the pressure on like this, as well as the pressure goes on upward and downward, and then make sure as the client give a good traction of the shoulder. And then are you be okay or more comfortable with that?
Yeah.
And then I just started doing some massage technique. I use my oil a little bit, and then I just use some stripping on your muscles. I'm just light stroking around the muscle because the oil want to spread out the whole overall your shoulder. And then next for the effleurage, I just go through the skin level and then I just stripping along like this. This is the effleurage technique. Do like this and then spreading the way. Because this is a small area, use your little more. You can use the little muscle bulky, less muscle bulky. You can go like use your thing also. And then the clients have a more pain of your shoulder area. I just be focus on here on the shoulder area, and you can stripping all over towards the elbow, and always draining up downwards to the upwards, draining against to the axillary node. It will be more comfortable. Next one, I just stripping on the thumb. Look at me using my thumb. Hold it your hands like your thing, and then stripping the thumb using around your shoulder region. Look at me how I am doing. Keep circular kneading, and you're doing everything best and you feel comfortable more too. Muscle stripping, and then I just doing the stripping on my fist like this, and then use my fist, do slowly and rotating like this. Do slowly and rotating like this. And then you can use the technique for take your muscle bulk, pull away your bone, and then squeeze it like this. And as well as I just put the trigger point where it is. I need to find it. I just muscle stripping. I can find something pain over here. I think you feel pain over here, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. I think the client have a pain over here. This is my trigger point, and then I hold it on my thumb just for 5 to 15 seconds. And how is the pain scale? 0 is nothing, 10 is more. How is the pain scale? 7. Okay, I can hold it like 15 seconds. The pain get down or it will more. It goes down.
More.
It get more. It's never get down.
Now it's getting down.
Now it's getting down. Okay, the clients feel the pain should be getting down. I just take away from my hand and then do some squeezing kind of exercise. Stripping one and doing the massage technique, little more pressure on both the sides of the elbow, and then mostly you can stripping along with your clavicle, medial aspect of clavicle to stripping to the lateral aspect of clavicle. Take this kind of knots and hold it like this, stripping along your shoulder and make the rotation like this. Stripping the hold it like this, give the pressure mild and evenly, and muscle stripping, hold it like this. Do it like 3 times. That's great, and client feel more comfortable. After that, I give a good stretching for this one. I think, can you relax your elbow? And you feel any stretching?
Yes.
You feel the stretching there?
Yes.
I can hold it on stretching like 15 seconds. 10, 12, 14, 15. Okay, that's great. And then I just stripping everything, and finally I finish my stroking, like a light stroking, and I give the compression of the thing. And then after I finishing everything, take off the whole towel, cover on the top of the shoulder, and make sure give the nice compression from the elbow, shoulder to the elbow, and as well as I give the compression on the clavicle side too. This is the good technique of the shoulder pain. You can use it on the technique for your home. If you feel after the work, you feel tired just sitting on the sofa, someone make sure doing a massage for you. It's mostly helpful for you guys. Try to do it in your home or do it in whatever someone help you. Keep watching. Hopefully I think you all will like it. Thank you so much.